talk about what exactly the speaker had said, because after being elected speaker once again, Om Birla had launched into a scathing attack narration of the dark chapter for democracy, that was the imposition of emergency 50 years ago. While the opposition sloganeered in the House, Birla spoke of the actions of the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and also sought 2 minutes of silence, during which the opposition again chanted slogans and created ruckus in the parliament.
माननीय सदस्यगण, ये सदन 1975 में देश में आपातकाल इमरजेंसी लगाने के निर्णय की कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करता है। भारत के इतिहास में 25 जून 1975 के उस दिन को हम हमेशा काले अध्याय के रूप में जाना जाएगा। श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी द्वारा तानाशाही थोप दी गई, भारत के लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों को कुचला गया। इमरजेंसी का वह समय हमारे देश के इतिहास में अन्याय काल का एक काला खंड था।
And BJP and its NDA allies wholeheartedly backed Om Birla. The Prime Minister tweeted that he was glad that the Speaker strongly condemned the emergency era, highlighting the excesses committed during the time of Indira Gandhi and how the democracy was strangled back then. He said that it was also a wonderful gesture to stand in silence in honor of all those who suffered during those days, and it's important for today's youths to know about the same, because it remains a fitting example of what happens when the constitution is trampled upon and over, public opinion is stifled and institutions are destroyed. The Prime Minister said that the happenings during the emergency exemplified what a dictatorship looks like. Other BJP and NDA leaders also echoed the Prime Minister's views. Listen in.
Well, I first of all don't understand the reason of hangama by the opposition. I mean, this is something which everybody knows that was wrong. The way it was imposed, the way emergency was imposed, the way they were trying to establish a dictatorship in our country, that was absolutely wrong. And today when the Honorable Speaker was mentioning it, I don't understand whether the opposition was supporting emergency and is the reason why they were creating this hangama. I really don't understand. But so whosoever who has sacrificed during emergency, their stories must come out, and the current and the coming generation must learn.
Today, when Speaker Om Birla ji, who has just been elected as the Speaker, brought a resolution into the House, into the Lok Sabha, condemning emergency which was applied exactly 50 years ago, then at that time, instead of standing in solidarity with this resolution, Congress members were chanting, shouting, sloganeering. Today, when the biggest assault on Samvidhan was being acknowledged, why was the Congress party opposing it? Does the Congress party support emergency? Does the Congress party support the darkest chapter of our Indian democratic history?
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.